You must have observed your pet puppy growing into a dog or a seedling developing into a young plant. This characteristic feature of living organisms is termed as growth. Growth is the gradual increase in the size and the mass of an organism over a period of time. All living organisms grow and get to their adult size. For example, a seed planted in soil will grow into a seedling, which will further grow into a plant or a tree. In human beings, the growth starts from birth and continues till they are 18 to 25 years of age. Unlike animals, plants have no time limit for growth. They can grow as long as they live. However, the growth takes place in some specific parts of the plant. Plants are able to grow new plant parts in place of damaged or withered ones. This property is called regeneration in plants. For example, trees that are cut off at the ground tend to develop new stem, leaves, and flowers in due course of time. Let us understand regeneration in plants with the help of an activity. Look for a rose bush or any other plant in your surroundings. Check out if the plant has an unhealthy branch. Cut that branch away from the stem of the plant. Then, water the plant regularly and provide it with sufficient air and sunlight. Observe the plant after 2 weeks. What do you observe? You will observe that healthy-looking leaves have grown in place of the cut branch. Do you know why this happens? Well, this happens due to the property of regeneration in plants. A stimulus is any change in the immediate environment of a living organism that brings about a change in the activities of the organism. The reaction of an organism towards a stimulus is referred to as response. You must have observed that a millipede coils its body on touching it. Here, touch is the stimulus and coiling is the response. Plants also respond towards stimuli. Different parts of a plant respond towards different stimuli such as light, water, and touch. Good to know. The movements exhibited by plants are mainly in response to the stimulus. Sunlight also acts as a stimulus to the flowers. For example, the flowers of hibiscus plant open when the sun rises and close after sunset. On the other hand, the flowers of night jasmine or Raat Ki Rani open up only at night. The plants show responsiveness towards water. The roots of plants always tend to move towards water. As they grow downwards in the soil, they can even change their direction and grow sideways in search of water. Did you know? The leaves of mimosa plant also react to heat and light, which causes the plant to fold up every evening.